Take command of the road in the 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Jeep prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by voice-activated navigation, heated and ventilated seats, a power rear cargo door, blind spot sensor, a roof rack, and power windows. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 19 speakers, yielding a symphony-like audio experience. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.